Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings. So it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer people, this reading is going to be for the next 10 days of August month. Okay, from 1st to 10th August. Okay, so let's start the reading. Now I am going to pick 3 cards. First is going to be your current energy, second is going to be your partner's current energy, and third is going to be the action which they can take towards you in future or in next coming 10 days. 5 of Pentacles. This is your current energy, Cancer. It seems like you want to move out somewhere. It seems like you want to move away from certain energies, but you are being sad, you are being anxious, you don't know how to move out. Okay, perhaps it seems like you are overthinking. You are not seeing there is a solution next to you, but you are being sad, you are being depressed, you are being anxious, you are not doing anything, and rather than doing anything you are just cribbing about your current situations. Alright, you are somebody who is stuck in your own mind. You are someone who is stuck in your own thoughts. Knight of Swords. Okay, this is your partner's current energy. The way this guy is running towards his bike, it seems like your person is also coming towards you. They really want to start something new. They really want to do something with you. They really want to meet you, or something is there. So whatever the current energy of your person is, that this person is eagerly wants to shift their current location. This person is eager to do something in this relationship. Okay, that's why he has started running. All right, the final action or the actions which they can take towards you in next coming days will be the World. A cycle has been ended for them. There were some responsibilities, there were some restrictions for them which has been resolved, which has been over. Now a cycle of their one cycle has been ended for them, and it seems like they are willing to start something new. They are willing to start or willing to take a new step in this relationship. So you can see some new changes in your partner's behavior, or from their side you can feel something new. Okay, all right. Okay, so some of you could be dealing with earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and some of you could be dealing with fire air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, Cancer people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.